have to think about disposing thermocol very carefully. See, this is being thrown in the gutters from a long years. As you can see the deposit of the mud here, and nothing happens to the thermocol inside. I am scraping the mud. You can see the thermocol is very much neat and clean inside, and you can see all the places there is no dirt inside the thermocol. Nothing happens to thermocol even if you are going to leave this one for 100 years. I will show you one more piece. Even here you can see thermocol in all particular ways. It is so dirty outside, and inside it is completely neat and clean. So please think carefully before you dispose thermocol. You can see this one here also, it is so clean and neat. You can see, and this is what we are having our employees getting this cleaned, and we are getting these things cleaned and processing this in our thermocol melting machine. So I request you all to dispose thermocol very carefully and not to some gutter or to some place where they are not going to recycle this. We are spoiling the earth, we are spoiling the water bodies and even the drainages also in Bangalore. Thank you.